Welcome to the present trade tutorial on designing a cul-de-sac using civil site design software. Begin with your drawing and ensure you're on the Road tab. Select the Network Strings option and then choose Cul-de-Sac button. Click where you want to put it on your plan, tie it into any specific road, and a settings window will automatically appear for customization. Give your cul-de-sac a unique name for easy identification. In the settings window, you can specify any radius for the cul-de-sac to meet your project specifications. When you click Create Alignment, the profile adjusts automatically to fit the shape and levels of the road it connects to. You can choose any type of cul-de-sac types, such as circular, central, asymmetrical, straight T, curved T, or any alignment style you like. Thanks for watching. Visit our site and follow us on social media for tutorials that boost your skills and to stay informed about the latest software. Connect with Present Trade for more.